Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X1 M35i in Black Sapphire Metallic with the coral red black interior. All right, so this is the 2026 BMW X1 M35i in Black Sapphire Metallic. I've just pressed unlock, so you saw the Vivace welcome light animation there. And if I go ahead and press panic, we can get the full low beam system on for the pathway lighting. This is Andrea's X1 M35i, who is the wife of Micheal, who just recently bought an M440i from me, and you may have seen his video on my channel. So now it's her turn to join the BMW family, and of course we gotta make it special and show her vehicle on the channel. And of course she got the M35i, so now it's a double M performance family, the M440i GC and the X1 M35i. What a deadly combination in the driveway. So now that we've done that lap, let's take a closer look at all the details. We have the beautiful Black Sapphire Metallic. I told these guys to buff the car so it looks like a mirror finish, and I think they got it right, because you can see the entire ceiling on the hood of this vehicle, which is absolutely awesome. And where you can see the light hitting it, you can see the metallic flake in the paint. And I like that this hood has somewhat of a power dome, not quite the same as like a 2 Series or an F80, but it's got the lines on there that depicts some bulge on the hood there, which looks awesome. BMW Rondell, we have the double slat vertical kidney grille with the M badge on the driver's side. Front plate brackets down here. We've got some honeycomb patterns. We've also got functional air going on either side into the oil coolers, intercoolers, wheel wells, and everything else. And let me just do unlock again. We'll get that Vivace welcome light sequence. So that is part of the digital premium subscription, but you have it for 3 months as a trial, so I decided to put on the Vivace one because it looks the best. And when you get the M35 model, you get this little front splitter here as well, which I think really squares off the look of the front and looks real sweet. Now, if you take a closer look at these headlights, these are the BMW LEDs, and you'll see the housing is all blacked out in there, which looks awesome. And we've got those inverted L shapes, and we've also got the low beam system. So all of that looks sweet together, and you can see all the little intricate patterns on the headlights themselves, and some areas at the bottom where the light can reflect off to give it that effect. Now, if we come around to the side, you'll see that we have the 20-inch Y-spoke 872 wheels, and these are the M wheels in a matte black burnished with that giant red M Sport brake there. And you can see it barely clears the wheel because it's gigantic, and that looks sweet. And of course the M35 model has the M Sport design, so you've got the body colored over fender, M badging in the Canadian market, black M wing mirrors with the integrated turn signal. We have the panoramic sunroof up top, the black roof rails. And if I take a little step back, you'll see that we've got black window surrounds, beautiful sports activity vehicle design. We also have the M welcome light carpet down here. We have the flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access on the front 2 door handles. And if you look back here, you have the rear 872M wheel, the red caliper. We also have the new style antenna up top, M35i specific spoiler, so you got these little slats on there as well. Rear wiper arm, and there are your rear L-shaped tails, which I think this car looks real good. And we've also got the diffuser down here with the quad exhaust pipes. So yeah, Andrea's got 4 pipes, Michael's got 2. We also have the vertical reflectors on each side, and that M35i badging here looks sweet. Now I've got the key with me, so swift kick underneath the middle of the car will have this open up the hands-free way. And once this opens up, you have a cargo cover to hide your contents. You can undo the 2 clips on each side, and the whole thing can come out. Grocery bag hanger on this side, 2 more on this side. We also have the little netted area, and we got a little plastic bin, 12-volt plug, and some illumination. Wheel lock key and tow hook down there. carpeted mats here. If I lift this up, I'm going to drop those down there. We also have the tire inflator kit plus and more space. And this can be propped up, but I recommend bringing it down before you get driving. Up top, we got a button to close, another one to close and lock, but we can certainly kick our foot underneath the middle of the car to have this close the hands-free way. I love this angle. Look at that. Now on the passenger side, you'll see that we have the fuel cap door connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 93 octane. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. Counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot to put this. And when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click. You can shut the door. I'm just gonna go ahead and open the rear door here. So inside, you can see that beautiful coral red and black interior. And the headrest can flip up or flip down. You have the armrest in the center with some cup holders, and we've got this string. We have that string over there, and we have another string here. So the seats can be folded in a 40-20-40 split, and there are 1, 2, 3 positions for recline, and you have a center passenger seat belt, which this button on it right here can be pressed by the buckle like so, and you can release it. So it can go up into the ceiling so it's not hanging down, creating an eyesore if it's not in use. Sunroof shade is open. We also have a handle on each side with a coat hanger and some lights. And if you look on the back of the seat, there's a little opening. And it's hard to see in the dark, but there's a little M here just for your enjoyment. And down here, we've got the winter mats installed. We also have some vents underneath the front seats and some illumination. And on the back of the center console, we have one USB Type-C, we have some vents, and a little storage tray at the bottom. So now that we've looked into the back seating area over here, oh yeah, don't forget, Harman Kardon, window switch, pocket on the door. Let's shut this door. There's an M welcome light carpet on the passenger side, and let's open up the front passenger door next. So once we've got this opened up, you'll see again, Harman Kardon sound, ambient light, unlock, lock, door pull, window switch, pocket. You've got your power seat, manual under the thigh extension, and look at the bolstering. M is illuminated on the headrest. M color is on the piping. Look at these seats, they look sweet. We also have some soft touch materials on the dash with some stitching going around, some vents, glove box down here, iDrive 9 on the curved display, some more vents, max front defrost, rear defrost, your wireless charger with a little seat belt for your phone, cup holders, 12-volt plug, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, 4-way flashers, volume up and down, rewind, fast forward, reverse, drive again is sport transmission, which is still automatic but shifts faster and rougher. And there's a little spot here to put some coins or a pen or something, and there's even more space down here at the bottom. Now that we've had a chance to look through here, let's shut this door. We'll go on the driver door next. All right, so this is what it's gonna look like for Andrea on a day-to-day basis. Open that door, memory buttons, unlock, lock, window switches, side mirror controls, tailgate buttons. You can press to open, pull and hold to close while the key is inside. You cannot close the BMW or mini trunk from the key itself. Full power seat with lumbar. Look at these seats. We also have the M steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock, M tricolor stitching all the way around, red marker at 12 o'clock, and we also have the nice paddle shifters with the red grips on the back. And up top, you'll see that we have, again, the sunshades open. We also have rear view mirror with some universal garage door opener buttons down there. And we've got some self-parking options, back park, front park, parallel park, come out of a parking spot. And other than that, down here we have some exterior lighting controls. There's your beautiful pedals. There's your hood release. It says 2 times, so it's 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, you won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful B48 2-liter inline 4 twin power turbo. This one is 312 horsepower, 295 foot-pounds of torque. I love that black M over there on the engine cover. Positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal. We've got this nice strut bar going across for rigidity. Washer fluid in there. Only put regular washer fluid in the BMW. And look at that. Now, BMWs have two latches under the hood, so they both have to close at the same time to latch properly. So if I bring the hood about halfway, you literally just have to throw it down, just like so. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. And the lights are shutting off. Let's get one more Vivace light sequence in there. I think that looks sweet. And once we get around to the back, we can press on the key as it actually describes on the key. 1, 2, 3. So that is your remote engine start, cold start sound. And once we get back up to the front here, 1, 2, 3 again. And we'll have the active grille shutters open, top and bottom. And once it's had a moment to breathe and it's got enough air, they'll automatically shut again. There you go. So Andrea, welcome to BMW and welcome to your new X1 M35i. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of Andrea's 2026 BMW X1 M35i Black Sapphire Metallic with the Core Red Sport seats, M Sport Pro package. This car is spec'd awesomely, and I love the black on red. So, if you like the spec, let me know in the comments below. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's at AlanBMW Durham. Thank you so much to the Lambert family for trusting me with your business. See you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.